Hello guys, today I would be walking you through Canva, and I've done a video before now on Canva and how Canva can really help you create your designs and what have you. So it's an online tool on your Google browser or on your browser generally. So I prefer to use Google because I really like the seamless transaction of how it works. So most importantly, you can always come to your templates. You can just go to canva.com and you sign in. There is no much, it's free. I'm using the free version. There's a paid version, okay, but I'm using the free version and I think it's good, more than good, for a startup. Okay, you just click on templates and you have lots of tools to work with, and all these tools you can just customize them for uh, your choice of design, or you can just click on create templates, which I do, and you can pick a custom size. Now when you pick a custom size, what you are trying to do is that you want to give a design. Probably it's 100 by 100, that will just give you a rectangular shape, or probably 1000 by 4000, that will give you a carousel image, a long one. So you just have to know the framework of what you want to create, and most of what I create, I use it for my thumbnails, my YouTube thumbnails. So let me just come to, you can come on design and you can just pick YouTube channel art, and that would automatically just give you the templates for YouTube. And you see, these are videos, previews, what have you. There are so many things that you have, and most of all of these except for the ones you see paid, they are all free tools except for the ones you see paid, and most of them are free. You see paid, of course, it's either paid or free and what have you. So you can do that, and you can also probably thumbnail. Okay, let me say YouTube thumbnails. So now I want to search for specifically thumbnails on YouTube, and these are thumbnails. Of course some of them are paid. You see a lot of free, so let me just pick this one that is free. You just need to click on it. Really good place. Okay, good. Now you just click on use this template. So you are going to use a pre-designed template. So let me just move my camera to this second side. So we are going to be working on this right side, and what you want to do, you have a vision of, or a draft of what you want to do. So you just need to start editing. Okay, you probably want to change the background, and you will see some suggestions at this side. So you can just click on this background. For this instance, probably I want to delete this. I don't need this big image, and I can easily just come to this end and click on photos, and probably I want to say a photo of code, coding. Just want to see photos of coding. So all these photos, there are some that are pro, that is paid versions, but most of them are free. So let me just click on this code. I really like this, and of course, yes, you'll see the conditions there already. I like coding. I like anything programming, as in logic. You see, if condition, if else. So don't let me talk about that one. That is not the essence. So you can see I can make use of the background to just show this ultimate crash course and answer to your. I can make this may not be HTML. Let me say this is a JavaScript. I can just edit ultimate e. Okay, now Java scripts. Okay, crash course. Okay, but it's a bit longer. I want it to be smaller. I may decide to just walk around it. and probably I want to increase the size height, so it's going to be like this, going to be higher, bigger, something like this. Okay, and as soon as you are through with creating your contents like this, the next thing you want to click is download. You can just create your idea, but as soon as you are through with creating that idea, the next thing you want to click is on download. Just click on download, and of course you have to consider the suggestion. Yeah, this suggested is PNG. There are other five formats. You have JPG, that is JPEG, PDF, PDF, MP4, and GIF. So you want to select the one that has, with high quality image, and you don't want to select this transparent background and compress, because these are paid features. So you just click on download, and when you click on download, automatically it downloads your content, and before you know it, you can just upload the content as you see fit on your social media channels and what have you. Let me just open it so that you'll be able to see how I just literally just change. What I did was just to change the background. Okay, and this is a very good one. All HTML, okay, JavaScript, HTML. So this is a very good one, and with this you can you create so many contents and whatever you for your Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and whatever you can create a lot of contents. So if you have learned some lessons from this, and if you are interested in using Canva, I wish you a best of luck. And if you want me to really go in depth in using some of these tools, I'm also a learner, and we are all trying to share the knowledge we have, so that of course knowledge shared is multiplied and not divided. So I wish you all the best.